Hi, I'm Brian Chase, Director of Digital Forensics here at Archer Hall. Today I'm going to talk to you about something in computer forensics called shellbags. If you've ever wondered if a user opened a folder, attached a hard drive and looked at the contents, or a flash drive, shellbags is what you want to look at to see what they did on that computer, to see what folders were viewed. Shellbags tracks when you open a folder and move it around. So let me show you some examples here so you can better understand the usefulness of the shellbag artifact. I'll start by sharing my screen with you. Here I've got a folder on my screen labeled stolen docs. So let's assume this was a theft of intellectual property case, and this folder contains those documents that are important. If I were to open this folder and move it on the screen, Windows tracks where I move that folder. So that way, if I close it and I open it back up again, it's in that exact same place. That way, Windows knows that that's where I want the folder and that's how it's set up. And it tracks that using something called shellbags. So shellbags is really useful for determining what was opened by a user. Here's what it looks like. This example, I have Shellbag Explorer opened here. This is a free tool out there to view these artifacts on a computer. And this is showing the actual shellbag entry for where I actually had that shellbag folder on my computer. It's made by a guy named Eric Zimmerman. Here's the folder on my desktop with his tools contained in it. And it has all sorts of useful information, such as the date and time that that folder was first created, as well as the date and time it was last interacted with, meaning the last time I opened that folder. This can be really useful for determining when somebody viewed a folder or if they viewed that folder at all. And again, this will track it even if I go in and delete that folder, this data is still going to exist on my computer. So it will show historical information about the system, even if the user tries to cover their tracks by deleting the relevant folders. Shellbags can be really useful for theft of intellectual property cases, for criminal cases, or anytime you want to see what a user was doing on a computer, whether they were opening folders, attaching drives, transferring files from one system to another. Shellbags is a great place to look. If you have shellbags in one of your cases, feel free to give us a call. We'll be happy to help you with it. We look forward to working with you on your next case. Thanks for watching.